Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to join EA Sports. The primary and most effective way to explore career opportunities with EA Sports is by visiting the official Electronic Arts Careers website. This platform lists all available positions across various departments, including game development, design, programming, and marketing. EA Sports is always looking for talented individuals to contribute to their world-renowned franchises and create inspiring experiences for hundreds of millions of players globally. Once on the EA Careers site, you can easily navigate through job openings by filtering for specific roles, game titles, or geographic locations. It is crucial to carefully review each job description and customize your resume and application to highlight relevant skills and experiences. For those just starting their professional journey, internships and co-op programs offer excellent pathways to gain valuable industry experience and potentially transition into full-time roles. The application process typically begins with an online submission through the EA Careers portal. After reviewing your application, a recruiter will contact you for an initial call if your background and skills are a strong match for the position. Following this, you may proceed to interviews with hiring managers and team members. Be ready for potential technical assessments, case studies, or whiteboard exercises, as these are common steps in evaluating candidates. To stand out, emphasize your problem-solving abilities and genuine passion for creating games. When discussing past experiences, clearly articulate your individual contributions to projects, using I rather than we. Additionally, prepare insightful questions for your interviewers about the role, team dynamics, and company culture. Demonstrating curiosity and preparedness can significantly enhance your candidacy and show your enthusiasm for joining the EA Sports team.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.